So we're actually going to have to remove the housing here to access the fog light and this turn signal. You need to find the trim here. I would start on this side if you can, and we want to pop this off.
Remove the torx bolt by turning it counterclockwise.
So when you take this out, you basically want to just kind of wiggle and pull. If you're having difficulty, if you look back here, you can actually see one of the tabs. And if you get a flathead or a panel puller back there, you can actually pry it out right at the tab, and that'll prevent any kind of breakage or anything like that.
Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the torx bolt by turning it clockwise.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle. Make sure the bulb housing is secure.
Align the panel with the body before securing it to the vehicle. It's important to make sure it's set properly, otherwise it won't attach correctly.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.